Hello guys, today I want to share with you data prepresentation formulas or data we can use in formula that we can use in a data prepresentation. Now here they are. So we have such database. Maybe it is more than 1,000 database. Now you want to present them in a simple and easy way. Now how can you do it? So we want to share with you the formula that you can use: concatenate, data validation, transpose, VLOOKUP, and $sign. Now let's go beyond and see what we are expecting to have after learning it. Now, we need to know the full name required, and as you can comment and you can say this in easy way or whatever you want to see in easy way so that you can present more than billion and millions of database in a simple and easy way to do. Now, here may have to know how to use this, of course. Let's keep them aside and start our class learning. Now, as you can see, we start by concatenate. Concatenate why? It's because here we have a separate name. Separate name, you know that somehow get raise complication while data analysis. Now we need to combine those names in one place as full name. Full name. How are we going to do it? It is easy. Easy. Now we use the formula as we've come to say. We shall use this formula. Concatenate, we need text. Now we have it to separate name. Now we need to know by which are we going to start. Let's start by this surname. Yes, put a comma, and yes, it's a mistake. Now space and Albert, close. You can see enter. Ngabo Albert. Now you can see how easy it is to combine separate names. Yeah, we can get separate name together while using concatenate. Concatenate formula, we do D, we take the first name, we put it, we separate by commas, and we put that name in this way. You can see it is easy. Now let's go by data validation. Why data validation? Data validation will help us to combine those names in one place, in one cell, if I can say. Now, data validation, or let's while data validation, we can even use this column of data of code. By commanding a code, it will generate the name. Yes, the name, a full name. Yes. Now, it will help us in advance. Now, code. Let us use this code. Yes. Validation. When you come here, it is data validation. It is any value. You choose list. List, you come on this, you select. Immediately it is there. You click OK. Now in your code there's something. Now you can change the format so that it can keep on being like here. It is here. Now what do we want to see? Transpose. We come on the transpose column. Now transpose will be used Let's take full name, emails, weight. Now, there is no need of copying one. You can see transpose will help you if something is in vertical way, you can horizontal, you can change it by vertical. Now full name and this you copy and you paste in the transpose. Immediately without wasting your time, you can get it in vertical while it was horizontal. Now you go on. Why this? It will help us to present our data in one place and in a moment without wasting your time going to search and to look up one by one. Now, we are going to the fourth point is VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is there. The formula is this, VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP will help you to find data by accordingly. If you can say, I need to know the data, full name, emails, and the weight of the code 003, it will be easy. If you want to command 002, it will be easy. Now, VLOOKUP, for you to use VLOOKUP, you will need to know lookup value, table array, column, index number, and the range VLOOKUP. Now, this for us lookup value, it's a code will guide us to get that thing. Now, what is the table array? Table array for us, we start by here by code. Table array is this. Yes, if it is more than 1000, you will select that table, a whole table, complete table. Now you enter the space. Now you need to know the full name. Full name means that full name is in which column. Now the column of full name is this. Full name. Yes, full name is here. Now it is the starting by here code 1, 2, 3, 4. It is on fourth column. We write the number 4, and the next is the range lookup. It is false. If it is not true, it will show me false. Now you can see how it is. Now 003, the code 003 is Neema Nyambo. Yes. Now I need even to know the emails way supply and the price paid. You can see because I need to change to update some of them. Emails is only on which column? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the fifth column, I put fifth, but it doesn't make any change. You can see how when I scroll down, even the table array is scrolled down. Even if the code, the lookup value is scrolled down. Let's go beyond and see how we can use the $sign. How $sign can help us to keep on keeping the format of something we need, the data format of data. So $sign will help us to keep it in advance. So let's go on with the data $sign before we can keep on going with VLOOKUP. It will help us by using the $sign will help us in this. $sign will help us to keep the format and the given data without changing it. Yes. $sign will be put it on the code lookup value because it's even changed. Now put it in between the letter and number. The letter indicate columns, and number indicate lines. Now you put the $sign between letter and the number, and then we go on the table array. Table array, we put the $sign between there, the number, and the first column, and we also go to the second column because it's horizontal. Now put them on there, in there. You can see how even just putting that $sign will keep this in one place. Now, why is this name coming back while we are in need of emails and weight supplied and price paid amount? Now, it is because we didn't change we didn't change column index number. This column index number, for the first it was 4th. For the second should be 5th because email is on the 5th column. Now we change only this. Changing this will give us another value. You can see how the emails is coming. Now even on this, it is only 6th. 6th, it comes with the weight supplied. The 7, yes, 7. Now even on the 8th. Now this you have to pay attention while you are giving column index number, and you have to make sure that you will start counting column index number from the where you've selected your from where your table array. Your table array is this because you want to check data in this table. So the first column is where you've started. The second is this. The third, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth, the seventh, the eighth. Now you will start counting from there, not here or there. So because when you select this, where it is highlighted is where you're going to start from accounting. Now you can see how for the code, the one with the code is 003 is who? Is Nema. With the full name, Nyambo Nema. Emails, nema.nyambo.gmail.com. Weight supplied is 8,000. Price, it is 1,200. Paid amount is 96. I'm sorry. It's 9,600,000. Now, just by changing this code 01 with who? With full name is Ngabo Albert. Emails is this. Weight supplied is this. Price is this. Paid amount is 600,000. For 002 is this. Muganga John. Proof. Muganga John. Is this. 360. Yes. 1,000. Now for 005 is this. Now this will help you even if it is more than 1,000 database. You can just manage them by using the simple formulas as I've come to say. Concatenate by combining your name, full name in one column. The second, data validation by putting or formatting your code or any index, your code in one place so that you can retrieve or regenerate them without going to search one by one. You combine them in one cell. Now, transpose, just transpose to change. If it is in the horizontal, you're gonna change by vertical. It's vice versa. Now, VLOOKUP will help you to retrieve or to find the database which are linked in with one VLOOKUP value, which can be a code or name, anything else. Now, dollar sign will help you to keep format of a data you've used without changing accordingly. If you scroll down, that data will remain the same. We won't change accordingly. Now, thank you very much for this time taken, and hope to stay with you by just subscribing and comment. What do you think we can change? What do you think you can add? What do you think? And we can talk about next presentation. Thank you very much. See you next time. I'm Diamond Pascal. Very nice.